Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today topic is permutations and combinations part 2. Let's start now. Question. If 12PR is equal to 1320, then find R. Now solution, given that 12PR is equal to 1320. This can be written as 12PR is equal to 10 into 132. This can be written as 12PR is equal to 10 into 11 into 12, 132. Okay, 12P, this implies 12PR is equal to 12 to decreasing side 3 terms, 12 into 11 into 10. This can be written as 12P3. Since here NPR is equal to NPS, which implies R is equal to S. This can be written as R is equal to 3. That's enough. Now next question. If NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5, then find N. Now solution, given that NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5. This can be written as NP7 means, okay, here R plus 7 is there, okay, N to decreasing side 7 terms, N minus 6 into N minus 5 into N minus 4 into N minus 3 into N minus 2 into N minus 1 into N is equal to 42 into NP5 means N decreasing side 5 terms, N minus 4 into N minus 3 into N minus 2 into N minus 1 into N minus 4 to N terms can be cancelled, both side is there, can be cancelled, which implies N into N square, N into minus 5 minus 5N, minus 6 into N minus 6N, minus into minus plus 6 5 is 30 is equal to 42. This implies N square minus 5N minus 6N minus 11N, 32 plus 42 taking LHS side minus 42 equal to 0, which implies N square minus 11N minus 12 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in variable N. Okay, solving this equation, N square minus 12N plus N minus 12 equal to 0, which implies in these two terms N common, N minus 12. In these two terms plus 1 common, N minus 12. Okay, here N minus 12 is common term, N minus 12 into N plus 1 equal to 0, which implies N minus 12 equal to 0, N plus 1 equal to 0. N equal to 12, N equal to minus 1 is not defined. Therefore, N is equal to 12. That's enough. Now next question. If N plus 1 P5 is to NP6 is equal to 2 is to 7, then find N. Now solution, given that N plus 1 P5 is to NP6 is equal to 2 is to 7, this can be written as N plus 1 P5 upon NP6, that is equal to 2 by 7. N plus 1 P5 means N plus 1 terms, decreasing side 5 terms, N minus 3 into N minus 2 into N minus 1 into N plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay. NP6 means N2 decreasing side 6 terms, N minus 5 into N minus 4 into N minus 3 into N minus 2 into N minus 1 into N is equal to 2 by 7. N minus 3 to N terms, N minus 3 to N terms can be cancelled, which implies remaining terms N plus 1 by N minus 5 into N minus 4. that is equal to 2 by 7 by cross multiplication. 7 into n plus 1 is equal to 2 into n minus 5 into n minus 4. This can be written as 7 into n, 7n, 7 into 1, 7. 2 into n, n square, n into minus 4, minus 4n, minus 5 into n, minus 5n, minus into minus, plus 5 to 5 4s are 20, which implies 7n plus 7 is equal to 2 into n square minus 9n plus 20. This implies 7n plus 7 is equal to 2n square minus 18n multiplying with 2 plus 40. These two terms taking RHS side, 2n square minus 18n plus 7n taking RHS side, minus 7n, this here 7, okay, plus 40 minus 7 equal to 0, which implies 2n square minus 25n plus 33 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in variable n. This can be written as 2n square, 25n can be written as minus 22n minus 3n plus 33 equal to 0, which implies in these two terms 2n common, n minus 11. Here minus 3 common, n minus 11 equal to 0, which implies n minus 11 is common term, 2n minus 3 equal to 0. That implies n minus 11 equal to 0, 2n minus 3 equal to 0, which implies 2n minus 3, 2n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3 by 2 not defined. Okay, here n is equal to 11. That's enough. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, click on like button. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.